guys, let's see what's going on here today. It's the end of the week and I didn't get to you because we had snow. Mother Nature decided to drop some snow on us. Started here on oh god, why can't I think about this? Was it Wednesday night or Tuesday night? Anyway, started around 10:30, 11 at my house. Got up in the morning, snowed all day. At the end of the day it stopped, I think, around 2, 3 o'clock. I ended up getting 19 inches. 19 inches. So I'll show you the mess that's here. Of course, my lot's all cleaned up now. Cleaned it up. My neighbor comes over, Tim. I thank him very much. Look at that pile. So it's going to kind of screw us up when Sunday Fun Day comes along, because I was going to bring the 55 in. So unless that snow disappears by then, but we'll see. But anyway, we got, that's what we got. That is what we got. And then I got another pile way down there. So with that being said, probably wondering what's going on here. Let's take a look. Here we go. We're working on the Suburban. Got it off the frame. Frame is going to go down and get all blasted so we can paint it. Got all the parts, took everything off. Take the cross members off, take it all off. And this frame is going to be made into a 3/4 ton frame. Disc brakes all the way around. Newer diff from like a 78 Chevy pickup with an Eaton Posi in it. It's got a 6-liter brand new LS going in it with the automatic transmission, the 4L80, whatever it is. All new control arms, tubular control arms, like I say, disc brakes front, disc brakes rear, all the goodies. There's the panel, as you remember a long time ago, Sean was always working on it. It's in final primer, but there'll always be some tweaking. And you can see underneath, here's where Mike did a good job welding did all the back panels there. Of course, he done all the outside panels too. If you guys remember, this thing was rotten. All new floors throughout it. Yeah. Yeah. So that is what's going on. Totally what is going on. So yeah, we hope to get this frame blasted. Hopefully the boys can pick it up next week on Monday and get it out of here. And hopefully the following Monday have it back and then we can start doing some paint work. Kathy, you're probably wondering where's your truck's gone. Well, let's take a look. You remember Kathy's got the little GMC pickup. Well, all the welding is done on the cab. That's over with. Thank God the engine tranny's out of it. They just foamed me too. The drive shaft took it in, had to get it lengthened. It's all done. So here we go. Now here's the Mercedes. Mercedes, you remember last you seen it was all bolted together. Well, now we took it apart. That's it. It's over. Now it's like starting to get ready to paint things on it. A couple little edges to reprime here and there. You can see a couple spots here and there on either side. I'll touch up primer. The hood's got to come off, and that's it. Okay. Oh, Sean's working away in here. Oh yeah, he's right in there.
Well, I'm in here, man.
He's in there. Yeah. There it is. There's the beast. Now we're not painting the whole truck. We're just painting the front half here, where the work got done, where the patches got welded in. All we're going to do is some red paint I got kicking around. We're going to give her. And we're going to put some flat clear on it, and that's it, because the whole truck is not getting painted, just those areas. She wants to keep it this rusty patina look. So there's the beast, getting ready. Hopefully maybe Monday, Tuesday, maybe there'll be some color on there, then we'll start bolting this sucker back together. Sean's just cleaning up the new floors in there so we can put some texture spray on. It will stick. Excellent. And then I got a hood he's working on over here too for a satellite or something. I can't remember the year, but it's a satellite hood. I'm working on that. Maybe you guys out there will recognize it. I'm not sure. Alright. Let's see what else is going on here. Oh. And we were supposed to be painting the slip and fall here. We were supposed to be painting the 64 Merc, but it didn't happen, obviously, because the snow came, so that just didn't happen, and it's up over there. And then there's the Buick. The Buick, I'm not going to uncover it right now, but the Buick is all bolted back together, ready to. So that's got to get prepped and go for paint too. And then we're going to be bringing in the Firebird, and going to be starting to take that apart next. There's my wife way in the background there with Hank. There they are. Wave, Hank! There we go. Hank has to come outside in the snow and he don't like it, so yeah, he's a little bit of a a little bit of a pussy that way, so you got to kind of bring him outside and carry him out. But the strange thing is once you carry him outside and you get him in the snow, little son of a bitch, he doesn't want to come back in. So anyway, that's what's going on today. Not a hell of a lot, I guess, or maybe it is a lot. I don't know. Next week I'm going to be working on Brent's Camaro. We're going to be putting all the front sheet metal on it and getting that one ready to hopefully go for paint. So we're getting there. That's it. So until the next time, remember, it's always a good time at old time. Oh, and someone said something to me on a video. They said they wanted to see my beer 30 room. Well, here we go. This is it. That's where I keep the Model A. Whoops, what am I doing here? This is my beer 30 room. So it's going to have a bar in the corner. Car's going to sit in this corner, and lots of shit all over the place, like I did here. I do the same thing. So I've been throwing some insulation in here. You can see I'm not doing the greatest job because it fell down. Yeah, I threw some up there, and just playing with it. Got to get my brother from another mother to come over and start doing some work on it with me. But, start doing some paneling. But right now I just kind of been calling it quits because it's too cold out here and I'm trying to save some cash up. But this is the beer 30 room. It's not a bad size. It's 16 by 24. So that's it. Okay, guys. Well, that is it. What can I say? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Tell your friends. The more subscribers we get, the better it is for all of us. See you later.